This is the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser app on this device. First of all, you gotta launch Settings, then enter the Apps category. In here, go for the default app section, Browser app, and at the following page, simply select Opera by tapping on it like so. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let me just go ahead and launch it. In here, you want to tap on your avatar picture at the bottom right corner, then go for Settings. At the following page, scroll it down for a little bit and find the default browser section or default browser field. Click on it, next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.